Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis on a couple of the stocks that we talked about for our top stock picks for 2022. Before we do, just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Also, guys, in the description, I do have some of my favorite books and a day planner that I use. If you are looking for a new book to read for 2022, if you need a new day planner, go check out those links below. Also, if you follow the channel, I talk about the Shiba Inu, and Webull has a promotion right now where you can get some free stocks, and then you could eventually cash out those stocks and buy Shiba Inu with those stocks. So basically, you can get free Shiba Inu to start your position, or if you already have it in a separate platform, you can have more SHIB basically for free if you just put the time in. So link in the description below for that as well. So we're going to start off with triple ENF. And first of all, we are getting close to having to redraw the fib level, which will probably happen next week, I would believe, to where this chart will look a little bit different. So just keep that in mind. I'll do another follow-up video at the end of next week and go over the technicals once this fully updates for you. Okay, so we had a decent little run up on triple ENF, I think out of anticipation. I know on StockTwits people were saying they were supposed to announce that they were transitioning to, I think, the OTCQB market or something like that, and I think that's what they were talking about. So people kind of were anticipating some type of big announcement from them, and I guess maybe that's why it ran up. And then also, after the, nothing came out, people were like, oh, okay, forget it. I'm just going to get out temporarily. So could have got a decent little run up here. But you see we got a big sell signal here. Key level is you want to see if it's going to bounce off of about 2 cents, which I think it may. And even if it doesn't, it'll come down to right below 2 cents. That's probably where I'll come in and buy right here, is roughly around 2 cents, or start my position. I was going to start it soon, and then the run up came, so I was like, well, I'm not chasing it because I knew it was going to come down based on how aggressive it just shot up to the upside. So we want to watch about 2 cents and see if it holds that support, or if we go a little bit lower. If it does go lower, I can expect it probably, in my opinion, to go down here, not much further below than 2 cents. So I think 2 cents or a little bit below is a decent buy, because once they announce that they're spudding the second well, then I think that's going to start running the price up as well. Maybe double, even triple the price. So from 2 cents maybe all the way to 4 cents is, in my opinion, a real possibility. So that's a good double up opportunity, like we talked about in one of my videos for 2022. Next up, guys, we're going to talk about IQST. I've been saying that the pullback is coming, and the pullback is here. You see we had a very, very large run up after that cup and handle pattern that we identified. Hit $1.05, broke the level of support of 88 cents. Now next level down is 78 cents. I do think we're going to get there. I think we're actually going to go below that and possibly touch 70 cents. Okay, and if we do, that's where I'll come and buy some more. I think once we get to 70 cents, then we're going to be close to or at undervalued. All right, and that's where I'll come back and buy some more and ride it back up, because I think it'll recover and probably try to make its way back to $1, especially all the good things happening. They have a ton of catalysts coming up this year, including the uplisting to the NASDAQ, but things are falling into place. It's a really good company, and so it's one to keep an eye on if you're not in. And if you are in, just keep in mind that this happens all the time. We have big run-ups, we sell off, and then we'll recover. So where's the bottom? That's where you want to try to find it. But I kind of feel like it's going to be around the 70-cent mark. If for some reason it goes way below that and goes like into the 60s or back to the 50s, then I'll be loading up pretty heavy on it. But if it gets to 70, then I'll grab an extra, several hundred shares or so. Okay, guys, ZNOG, and right on cue, we get a buy signal. We come up to like 17 cents, and now here's a sell signal. We're coming probably right back down to 15 cents today, maybe even lower. As long as they keep quiet and don't say anything, then I believe that we're going to go to about 12.5 cents and maybe even 10.5 cents if they don't say anything over the next week, right? And if they do, this is where you want to, I mean, you can accumulate here as well. and get an easy double up play in my opinion. But if it falls a little bit lower than this, oh man, that's going to be that's money for me. I'm going to be loading the boat some more and just kind of holding tight. And yeah, so your floor is about 10.5 cents, and then you have 25.5 and 37 cents, 45 cents, 53 cents, 63, and then 80 cents. Okay, let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla's tanking as well. Currently, I say tanking, it's dipping. My plans for this, it's going to get into undervalued status here shortly. It should, at least, especially if it breaks below this red SMA line. 1,000, I think about 1,000 is going to be a good buy-in, and you can ride it back up to like 1050 if you want to get a swing. But I think that it's going to continue to go. As you see, it's a good test right here. If it bounces off that SMA line, then we should come back up. But if it breaks below, if it gets to like 1050, 1045, we should bust below and go and retest that support of 980. I don't know if we'll get all the way there, but it's something to kind of keep an eye on. Okay, guys, that's all I got for you in this one. I just wanted to provide a couple of updates on those stocks there. DraftKings as well. I know we talked about DraftKings. Basically, it bounced off of that bottom of $23 and it's trying to make its way back up. But you want to make sure, to me, if we can get to about $30 to $32 and we can hold above there, pretty decent sign of price strength moving forward. But you want to kind of wait and see if it's going to get there. It's still, if you see this, this is just a steady downward slope. So eventually you're going to recover, but you want to make sure that you found the bottom on that. So, and again, I mentioned Shiba Inu. Webull link in the description below. You can go ahead and sign up, deposit some money, and then get your free stocks and roll that into SHIB. I believe that that's a longer term hold, especially for 2022. I think we're going to see some upward momentum. So, all right, guys, let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.